Hello, my family members. Without any brief intro, we will directly go to discuss the analogies problem, which is often asked in Accenture. And two questions are allotted from this chapter, so don't ignore, right? Okay, let's go. So this is the first question, and let me tell you that analogy is a cognitive tool used to compare relationship between pairs of things or concepts or ideas, right? So we have to determine what relationship are they maintaining, right? So let's check what is the relationship between them at first, then try to solve the problem. And the best trick to solve the problems is actually you can visit one by one all options and you can eliminate the wrong options, right? These are the two main way to solve this problem. Okay, let's see what's the relationship maintaining they are maintaining. So here if you consider this as x, and you can observe that this is 3x, right? That means 80 multiplied by 3 is 240, right? So x is to 3x. So which is maintaining same relationship? This, right? 60 multiplied by 3 is 180. So this will be the answer for this question, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. So the question is, um, you have to find the next term, right? It is quite same with missing term question, but this is analogies, right? So what is the relationship they are maintaining, right? You can pause the video and solve the problem, but I hope you have paused the video, so I am solving, right? Okay, here actually what happens here, b has the place value of 2 and a is 1, right? D is 4 and c is 3, f is 5, sorry 6, and e is 5, h is 8, and g is 7, right? So every here actually each letter of the second term is one letter backward of the first term, right? So that means this is being -1. So also here it should be -1, right? To fulfill the pattern, right? So what is the -1 of p? That is o, right? That is o. And r -1 is q, right? And t -1 is what? S, right? And v -1 is u. So OQSU, right? So the answer will be this, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, grandfather is to father, then what should be the same sequential answer? So here you can say that this is a relationship between father, a son, and father, right? Father is son of my grandfather, right? So he is father and he is son, right? So son and father relationship. So here, where is the son and father relationship among the options? Here, right? So it is also a relationship between father and a young one, right? So this will be the answer in this case. Okay, let's go to the next question. That is, typhoid is to bacteria is, and influenza is to what? So here in this case, you can see that typhoid, it is actually a disease caused by this, right? This is caused by bacteria. And here influenza is a disease which is caused by what? This should be the answer. Actually, general information is required in this case, right? So here it will be virus, right? By virus causes influenza, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. Girl is to woman and seed is to what? You can pause the video and please answer the question, and give me the answer in the comment box, right? So here the first, that means the girl actually grows into the second, right? That means woman. It grows into this, right? So what seed grows into? So grows actually, sorry, seed actually grows into plant, right? So the answer will be plant. So I hope you have got whatever it is happening here, right? This is a quiz question for you. Please pause the video and give me the answer in the comment box, right? Okay, I'm going to the next question. So here, uh, what is the relationship between them? South America, Africa, and Europe is to what? So what will be there? So what is the relationship between them? Actually, all the names of continent, right? So South America, Africa, Europe, all are continents. So among them, only Australia is a continent, right? So Australia will be the answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. That is 17 is to 4 and 82 is to what? You can pause the video and give me the answer, right? I hope you are trying by yourself. This will be actually beneficial for you, right? Not for me. The relationship between them is actually, let's say 4 is x, right? And how 17 comes? If we actually define, then we can see that x square plus 1 is actually 17, right? That means 4 square is 16 plus 1 is 17, right? So obviously this is also a x square plus 1. That means 9 square plus 1 is 82, right? So the x is actually 9, right? I hope you have got whatever I wanted to mention here, right? Okay, this is the last question which will be solved by me. So what is the relationship between them? Donkey and bray, so horse and what? Donkey has a voice. Donkey produces the sound of braying, right? And here are general knowledge, like whatever the sound of horse is the answer will be the answer, right? So horse sound what? Horse produce the sound of neigh, right? Okay, I hope you have got what types of question are being asked in Accenture, right? So last, there is a question, a quiz question for you. Please solve the problem. The two quizzes, solve two quizzes and give me the answer in the comment section, right? So here, past is to history and future is to what? Present, bring, mystery or sell. Give me the answer in the comment box. I will love your comment, right? I hope you have been benefited from this session, and if you think so, please subscribe this channel and please watch the playlist regarding Accenture previous year coding question, Accenture previous year assessment question, right? So thank you for today's session.